In this video, I'm going to walk through sort of what it looks like when you run assignment 8. So you can see I've got this menu here. So I'm going to add a server. I will name this server, it doesn't really matter, blah123. Okay, is this a file server or a web server? I'm going to make it a file server. I'll make the operating system Windows. And the hard drive capacity in terabytes, I'll make it 40 terabytes. And the number of users I'll set to 1000. Okay, so now if I display all the server information, you will see that I have blah123, it's a file server, OS is Windows, hard drive is 40, the usage is 50 based on the formula for computing usage, and there are 1000 users. The total servers is 1 and the hard drive capacity is 40. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add another server, foo45. I'll make another file server. I'll make this one run Linux. Hard drive capacity, I'll make this 53. Number of users, I'll just show you the error. So if I put in K, it gets an error. If I put in -9, it gives me an error. So I'll say, let's make this one 1500 users. Okay. And so again, if I display all server information, choice 2, you can see that there are my two servers, my blah123 and my foo45. The total hard drive capacity is 93, so that's the 53 plus the 40. Okay, and now let's go ahead and look at some of these other options. So display average usage by server type. So if I hit that one, the average file server usage is 62.5. The average web server usage is 0 because I have not created any web servers yet. Okay, and if I display the highest usage server by server type, number 4, then you can see that the high file server usage is foo45 with a usage of 75. And notice there is no message for web server because I haven't created one. So let's go ahead and add a couple of web servers here. So we'll do web01. And we'll make this one a web server. Okay, and we'll make this one run OS X. We'll make this one 5 terabytes. And now it's asking you how many web server software packages are there. So there can be between 2 and 4. So I'll just say there's 2. And I'll do Tomcat. And I'll do Nginx. And that's it. Okay. So now if I display all server information, I have my blah123 and my foo45. And now you see my web01, which is a web server. It's got the usage. It's got the software as Tomcat and Nginx. So now I've got 3 servers and the total hard drive capacity is 98 terabytes. Okay, and let me go ahead and add one more. So web02. We'll make this a web server. Okay, and we'll make this Linux. And the hard drive capacity in terabytes, 34. We'll make this one have 3 software packages. So we'll make this one have Apache, and we'll have Glassfish, and we'll have Spring Boot or something. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now if I display all the server information, okay, once again, you see all of the 4 different things, my web02. Okay, so you see all the software listed right there. Okay. And now if I display the average usage by server type, you can see that it does the calculations. And so the file server usage is still 62.5, but the web server usage is 50. Okay, so if I go back to the server information, you see that one of the web servers had a usage of 40 and the other had a usage of 60, so the average is 50. Okay, and if we display the highest usage by server type, so foo45 was the highest file server usage at 75, and web02 had the highest web server usage at 60. Okay, so that's basically assignment 8, kind of how it should look. Obviously, it doesn't need to look exactly like this, but this is sort of the main ideas.